today we are going to start with chapter 4, India Physical. So in this chapter, we will study about the physical features of India and mountains and their peaks. So let's move to our first topic, India Physical Feature of India. India, it's a vast country and it's the continent of Asia. It is also known as the largest democracy in the world. It is 7th largest country and the 2nd most populous country in the world. So the surface of the land is not same everywhere. कहीं पे आपको mountains देखने को मिलेंगे, कहीं पे plains, कहीं पे desert. It has high mountains, rocky plateau, flat and fertile plain, and sandy desert and coastal lowland. It is bounded on the southwest by Arabian Sea and southeast by the Bay of Bengal. On the north, northeast and northwest lie the Himalayan ranges, and to the south lies the Indian Ocean. Next is mountain and their peaks. There are high mountain ranges in the country and Himalayan mountains lie along the northern mountain. It is the highest mountain in the world and there are many lofty peaks which remain snow bounded throughout the year. The high mountain regions are very cold climate and there are many valleys in the mountain. Right? So we have 3 main ranges, Himalaya from north to south, Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world which lies in the Himalaya and in Nepal. Kanchenjunga, Nanga Parbat, Nanda Devi, these are the other peak, and highest peak of India, that is Kanchenjunga. It lies in the Himalayan range, 3rd largest mountain peak, have world key, and rivers originate from the Himalaya. Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Satluj, these are the main rivers. Right? And there are many places of pilgrimage importance and tourist center over here. If we talk about northern plains, plains are the largest area in the flat land. देखो यहाँ पे आपका lie करता है northern plains. This is the area which is where the northern plains lie. It is the largest area of flat land. There is a vast fertile plain of the south of Himalayas and north of Indian Plateau. इसको हम Indo-Gangetic plain or northern plain भी कहते हैं. Then we have plateau. It is a kind of flat land which is higher than the surrounding. Deccan Plateau क्या है आपका? Largest plateau है India. It is a plateau which is narrow down towards the south. It is made up of ancient trees and rock, and black soil is found in this plateau region. And what do you mean by plateau? It is a low lie. Now coastal plain. We have eastern coastal plain and western coastal plain. So a narrow plain along the Arabian Sea coast and the Bay of Bengal coast. They are called western coastal plain and eastern coastal. River जो आपके peninsular plateau से जाती है वो है महानदी, गोदावरी, कृष्णा, कावेरी, नर्मदा and तापी. Next is desert, which is a Thar desert that lies in the Rajasthan. Right? It is hot and dry mostly and many few trees are seen there. Here you can see lies a great Indian desert, that is Thar desert. And it is 80th largest desert in the world, and it is Antarctic desert, which is the polar desert. And where does it lie? जो Antarctic desert है वो polar desert है, cold desert. और कहाँ lie करता है? Antarctic. Then we have islands. A part of area which is covered by water from all sides. Here is the island. We have Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. Andaman and Nicobar lies in Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. A piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. There are many islands in Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. These are near to the mainland, and the important islands of Arabian Sea are Lakshadweep, and the important islands in Bay of Bengal are Andaman and Nicobar, and they are large in size. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.